Hello, so I'm going to try to fix a curb rash that I had on my Model Y. And to do that, I bought this kit from Zink Wheels. I don't even know what it has in it, so I'm gonna open it up and see what is in it. And we're gonna go through them. If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you also don't know what this thing includes. So let's open up and see. Okay, so it does have this padding, and looks like there's one more box in it with all the stuff. Okay, there's a list of what is in here. There's a sanding block and 80 grit sanding disc and the 240 grit sanding disc, and then obviously the touch-up paint. And there's instructions. There's an instruction book. Let's see, these are the pads to do sanding. Let's see how many there are. Looks like 1, 2, 3. 3 80 grit sandpapers and another 3 240 grit sandpapers. And there's sanding block, which I assume it just sticks into the sanding paper through the Velcro, and obviously the touch-up paint. So you could probably just buy everything separately and it'll probably be cheaper that way, or if you already have sandpapers in hand, it'll go okay, better or cheaper. But I thought this was an easy and convenient way to buy everything at once. And this one is kind of cute and looks like it's useful to do a small area sanding. So we're gonna go down to the car and try to fix this curb rash that I had. We'll see how it goes. Also, when I had the curb rash, there's also this piece of tire that came out. It's the rubber, but it came out from the side, so it doesn't structurally bother the tire. You can't even see the steel or anything else. And I will also try to just use an adhesive to put this one back as well. We'll see how it's gonna go. Let's go down and see. Here we are. So this is the wheel with the curb rash. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see the curb rash clearly. So we're gonna see if we can fix this, and the first thing we need to do is obviously to take the wheel cover or the hubcap off. And to do that, so they're basically attached at the back with the claps. You just need to hold on to it and just pull it as hard as you can, I guess, because it can actually be pretty tight. So we'll see how it's gonna go. This section is not that bad. So what you do is you get you grab from the both ends and then just press against it, and this is what it looks like on the back. So now that we have it out, we can start our sanding process. And to sand this, obviously we need to start with the sorry about that, it just locked itself. We need to start with the 240 grit, and then we're gonna do we're gonna start with the 80 grit, obviously, and then we're gonna smooth it out with the 240 grit. And this is the, so we have an 80 grit one here. Okay, so I've done a little bit of sanding with 80 grit sandpaper. See if I can show you close up. There's still like a little bit of spots, but I'm hoping that it will be cleared with 240 grit. If not, I'll probably go back and forth between 240 and 80 until they all get smoothed out, and after that we will just spray paint it, and hopefully it will look much better than it did before. So let's see what I can do. And there's my 240 grit paper. Okay, it doesn't look like some of those rashes are going away with 240 degrees, so I'll do a little bit more on 240 and I will go back to 80 again, and it should be good enough, I guess, after that. It looks like this one's stuck. Hopefully it stays there. That's the key, right? I mean, it might come out in a day or two, so we'll see how it goes and that's gonna go. But so far it's looking like it's in its place and it's holding well. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, now that I waited for a few minutes for the paint to dry, I'm gonna put the hubcap back. I'm sorry about the darkness. It's getting darker here. It's about sunset time. Basically, you just do the reverse when you put it back. So there are these little notches you see, and each notch will lean against the side walls on the bigger hole in the wheel. So you just line up any two and start pushing it through. There we go. It's good now. I'm sorry you can't see it because of the darkness, but it actually looks much better than before.